Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be sharing a new update in TikTok, but before I start, please leave a like and a comment on this video. Let's get into it. Recently, TikTok has implemented a new feature where you can now view all the videos you've watched within a 7 days period. So I'm going to show you where you can find this new feature, how to use it, and so on. So I'm going to launch TikTok and go to my profile. The next thing I'm going to do is select the menu icon, after which I'll select settings and privacy. Now you want to go to content and activity and click on watch history. So this is all the videos I've watched in 2 days, and this is because this feature was only available to me 2 days ago. I think this is a useful tool if you've watched a video and you didn't like it but you want to find the video again. However, if you don't want this feature enabled, you can always turn it off. Also, you can clear the watch history. So you can turn this feature off by clicking the settings icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. As an example, I'm going to turn off my watch history and watch a video to prove that the history of me watching that video will not be stored. Watch history, and this is just a reminder that this feature only stores watched videos for 7 days only. So that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload videos.